So that is my city view from my apartment. I did one of these like tour my apartment or what it's like to live in New York City videos a year, or actually 2 years ago, because we've lived in this apartment for about 2 years. And it was a studio apartment and it was in Financial District. So I thought I'd do an updated one. This is our Hell's Kitchen apartment. We've got a 1-bedroom, which, woo, moving up in life. So Hell's Kitchen is located on the west side of Manhattan and it borders the Hudson River. Let me give you the grand tour. This is probably gonna take a few hours, so sit back and relax. Our front door, we've got a little cabinet here. You find space wherever you can for your shoes, guys. And of course, you have to have a coat rack. During the winter in New York, it gets freezing. Under here, I will show you guys, you just have to find space wherever you can. So I have 2 water bottles hidden under here, hidden by my coats. We are very lucky because this is a huge closet. So it's got 3 doors, but one of them I kind of pushed over, so it's like hidden. Okay, so this is what it looks like if you were directly walking into our apartment. You've got the big closets here, we've got the restroom here, the bedroom over there. This is the open concept kitchen slash living room slash dining room slash office storage space over there. So right when you walk in, I pretty much always keep my flight attendant luggage there. I just never really want to unpack. I just kind of switch stuff out. And over here we've got some built-in shelves to the unit, which really, you guys, it's just random stuff there. This is where I keep boxes that I am returning or I just picked up from downstairs. Here is the kitchen. And I just stuff shoes wherever I find spots. So this island didn't come with the apartment. We actually bought that from Ikea and it's been awesome because we put a ton of our extra pots and pans under there, cutting boards. And then, you know, we keep up top here just like knickknacks. It was mine and Bart's anniversary. It's a few days ago, so he bought me some flowers. But the kitchen is small. Not a lot of storage space. And these cabinets are tiny. I'm not sure if you can tell. And even the fridge, this is not a standard size fridge. It's really, really small. It's so small compared to like a normal size fridge. So this is the living room and this is where I spend most of my time in the apartment. I'm always sitting on the couch editing, working, talking on the phone. That is like my workstation. I really like this setup of the couch here, the coffee table, and then the TV. It's very comfortable right here, this little living room area. We didn't have this green chair here when we first moved in, but we saw that when we had people over, you really needed an extra chair for somebody. This is Franny's little nook here. He's taking a nap, but he loves to just look out and see everything. That's why we put his bed right there by the window. Hi! Hi, sweet pea. You're just taking a little afternoon nap in the sun. So really quick, I'll show you guys. That is the reflection of the sun from over that way. And so that's a tip when you're living in New York City, is to live by a building, if you can, that is like a reflective mirror building. Because then you get sunshine, you know, when the sun rises and when it's like going on to the other side, because it pours into your apartment. Okay, and so over here is like my workstation. I kind of try to hide it with this chair here, but this is really overcrowded. But I do a lot of filming for my second channel, and so I've always got handbags out. I've got stuff I'm taking pictures of, selling, trading, whatnot. And so this area is pretty cluttered. If this wasn't here, see this really cool like bookshelf thing a little bit better. But from here, it's you know, if I didn't have that handbag there, it's kind of hidden, so you don't really know it's there. But yeah, I will tell you that we never eat on this dining room table. Most of the time, I just sit in this chair here and set my laptop up, and I'll just work. And I love it because I have this really awesome view And at night, you guys, I know I've done it on my Instagram stories, this is the coolest view here. We do also have a little view here of the water. That is the Hudson River. This is a view of what the apartment looks like if you're standing right here by Franny's bed. So this is this is basically the living space. Most people in New York City, you will see, have mirrors in their apartment because it just kind of opens the apartment up and makes it look a little bit bigger. One feature in the apartment that is like amazing, washer and dryer. Is to have a washer dryer unit inside of your apartment in New York City is like you've made it in life. Most of the buildings in New York City, you do not have a washer dryer. It's just, it really is like a luxury. And in our old apartment, we did not have a washer dryer. So when we moved here, we were looking for new apartments. We both decided that the most important thing was a washer dryer. We're like, we don't care about anything else, but we want a washer dryer. We're just so excited that we actually have this. Up here, we just have more storage, you know, luggage, boxes, just wherever you can put stuff, you store it in there. So even back here, got some cleaning stuff, got a ironing board, just whatever you can fit in like little spots. All right, then right here is our bathroom. Super small bathroom. You don't get much space in these apartments. This is our one of the medicine cabinets. Hi guys. And then another one over here. But that's basically all the storage space in here. I did add like a little basket under here and I have extra towels. Oh yeah, we also have like this little thing here, which is so messy right now. Real life, guys. This is real life. I did not like clean extra for you guys, which I probably should have. But I'm just giving you a realistic idea of like what it really is like to live here. You have to like find space everywhere. You like put stuff in the most random spots and you just have to not have a lot of stuff. You have to like try to declutter your life, but it's hard. Trust me, it's really hard. Now we're gonna come into the bedroom, which for some reason, look how bright I got. For some reason, the bedroom is brighter than the living room. I think because it's shorter, so it doesn't have too much to light up. Okay, so again, super cool view. And we are, I forgot to tell you guys, we are on a corner unit, so we get windows on one wall here, and then this wall also. So pretty standard New York room here. We've got a queen size bed. I wouldn't put a king size bed because I don't think this barely fits 2 nightstands with the queen size bed. I've thought so many times of getting rid of this little bench, but our dog loves to jump up here and look out also. So we kind of kept it, but normally that bench, you guys, houses all of my laundry. I'm not proud, but if you've seen any of my vlogs, there's always a pile of laundry there. Don't know why I kept this desk because I literally never ever work on this desk. I always work on the kitchen table, but I did make sure to get a glass table so that it wouldn't obstruct the view too much. You could still see out there. I don't know if you guys can notice, but if I stand on this side of the room over here, that window right there, that's somebody else's apartment. So that's somebody else's living room window. Because if you look over here, that's my living room. So you probably can't see it because the sun is like the reflection right now, but that's my dining room table. So I wonder if they can see us. Standard closet here. This is my closet, so I can show you. These are not big closets. I'm constantly going through my clothes and like downsizing. And this door never stays open. Watch. Like, is our building on a tilt? Why does it do that? Anyways, so that is our bedroom. Pretty good sized bedroom. is our mansion in Hell's Kitchen, New York City. I just texted my friend. He lives across the street from me and he has a studio apartment, and let's go over there and see his apartment. So just got to my friend's apartment building. Look at the hallway. It's like so futuristic here. It's really a cool place. These apartments over here are just a little bit more expensive than mine across the street.
Welcome to my home, MTV Cribs.
Hi, P. We're gonna tour your apartment. This is apartment tour. MTV crew is here. Okay, so this is the front door that I just came in. A lot of times you have the kitchen here right away. So that is what we have. We've got a hallway closet here, and then that is the main living space. But like, look at his style. Like, I just love this. It's just so clean, and you guys can see again, it's a small fridge. Dustin, what do you have in here? I knew it. I knew it. He doesn't cook. You guys, like, let me just show you what he has in his cabinets. Like, he is so Carrie Bradshaw. Like, that is literally his kitchen cabinet. Where's the other one, hun? I can't. I'm dead. Like, serious. This is so amazing. Like, I can't even, you guys. Didn't Carrie have shoes in the oven?
Did the dog cabinet.
Oh yeah, is it this one?
The fun way.
Okay. And this is Penelope's cabinet. So those are all her outfits, her sweaters, her leashes. Oh yes, designer pup. This is the main living area, and you guys, are you dead right now? Floor to ceiling windows here, and look at this unobstructed view. Like, just amazing. And then he has the Hudson River. Like, and that's Jersey. His view is phenomenal. And what floor are we on?
57.
57th floor. Oh my gosh, I can't even with this. So this is the living space, and it's a studio apartment. So you have your like bedroom kind of meshes in with your living room. So that's why he's got, like, this is entertaining area, his bedroom, and then his bathroom. And look at their bathroom. Look at how clean his bathroom is. He's like amazing. His bathroom's like so clean. I can't even show you guys mine, really. Look at it, looks like a hotel living here. But no matter where you stand in his apartment, you get this just phenomenal view. And you don't even have to have any curtains. It's just, nobody can even see you. In my apartment, people can probably see me. But his, so far away, you never ever have to close anything. At night, this is such a cool view. You just see all these lights and they're just like floating. It's amazing. A studio apartment or one bedroom? Which would you take? Would you rather the view? I mean, I've got a pretty cool view, but this view is like phenomenal. Would you sacrifice one bedroom though? So Dustin, 490 square feet.
Yep.
So this apartment is 490 square feet. My apartment is like 730, give or take. They never gave me an exact amount. We live across the street from each other. He's got a studio, I've got a one bedroom. We pay the exact same amount in rent. What do you guys think we pay? I won't leave you in suspense. We both pay $37.50. I don't know, you guys. I feel like this view,
Or this view.
or that view right there. I think it just takes the cake. It's amazing. All right, that's all I have for you for this episode of MTV Cribs, New York City, living in Manhattan.